Hi you guys, it's Dawn and I am back, and this time I am back with the June Witch's Moon box. So I'm going to do the June unboxing of the Witch's Moon. My July boxes will not be here until about Friday. I know one is going to be here by Friday. But for today, since I did not get to do the unboxings while I was on vacation, I am doing them now. So, I'm going to get started. I am excited. Okay, so let's see if we can move this down a little. Okay, oops. Oh no, I'm pouring everything out. This is what it looks like. Okay, and we have our paperwork. Oh, how beautiful. That is just beautiful. And we got card 36, Telepathy of Terra Mater. Or Matter. I'm not sure what that means exactly. But I guess I will look it up and see. So here's our card. Our paperwork, and I want to be surprised, so I'm just going to read the top. It says Sacred and Shadow, and let's see if you guys want to pause and read it. We have this, and then we have this. And as you know, the third paper is our blank sheet that we get for spells and such. Okay, so I'm going to read just the top. Sacred and Shadow. Each day we work to become more connected with our purpose through ritual and practice. This journey requires the honest immersion of spirit into the shadows so that we may absorb the light. Self-transformation and ascension come from a deep willingness to face fears and make realizations regarding our current reality. As we confront and work through our personal characteristics and tendencies, we break down walls, allowing us to gain strength and sharpen our ability to overcome obstacles. These practices bring our intentions into real manifestations. In this very special collection, we work with both the shadow self and the light body to bring victorious energy into our practices and craft. All right. So, set this to the side. Okay, and it looks like Place of Parity. It looks like we have a spell artwork, which is very beautiful. And I'll go ahead and read it to you. On dusk of days and eve of nights, getting within shadows and light, the times of now, of past and place, I share with mine truth behind pain. As I set in thought in face of fears, I ask to be seen, to fall upon ears. Coming of this, the vibrant mind, the sacred soul, the light defined. On dusk of days and eve of nights, getting within shadows and light. So mote it be. by G. Ibis. So very beautiful. I don't usually use the spells that are put in a box particularly, but I might use that one because it's beautiful, and yeah, I like that. The light body, so we have a light body artwork, very beautiful, and I think I had it where you could read it if you wanted to. Okay. And I'm going to read these later. Okay, and we have another artwork, The Shadow Self. And it is also very beautiful. And I think I got the glare off of it, so you guys could read it if you want. You know, just give it a pause. Okay. And I am going to now get into the goodies of the box. We have a lot of squigglies. Squigglies. Okay, I see some herbs right here on top. So I'm going to get into the herbs. Love it. We have some star anise. And we have mullein. Okay. And we have some brown mustard seed, pardon me. Okay, what else do we have? I kind of see my salt, so I'm going to go ahead and grab those. Etain. Etain sacred salts. And I can see calendula right up front. Smells very interesting. I can't really tell you. I'm not real certain of the particular blend, but it does have calendula in it, and it is very beautiful. It smells nice. Okay, so there's my salts. Smooth this over. Okay, and I think this is our oil. It is, and it says the gray anointing oil. The gray. Oh, I get it. If you mix light and dark, you get gray, right? Okay. I think I like the one, the witch's roots, better. But it doesn't smell bad. It smells pretty. I just can't place the smell exactly. Okay. Let's see. We have... Oh, it looks like we have 2 candles this time. Very nice. Okay, so we have a white and a black candle. really excited about this box. Okay, and we have something very large in here. Okay. Let's see what we have. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can see my reflection. They have a stone in here that one side is smooth, where you can actually see your reflection. And then the rest is rough. It is really pretty large. And it is just beautiful. I love it. Love it. Alrighty. And under that was this little piece of wood. Okay. Oh, okay. That's what smells so good. Okay, we have some cone incense. They smell delightful. There's really a lot of squigglies in it this time. Oh, nice. Okay, we have a little charcoal burner, or you can burn the cone incense in here, and that is what the wood... Uh-oh, I dropped it. That is what this piece of wood is for, to set the incense burner on top of the wood so you don't destroy anything that it may be sitting on. Very beautiful. I love the design. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Very impressed. Just love it. Okay, so we're going to set that there. And I see something big. I know you guys can probably see it too. I'm just looking around to make sure that I got everything else. And we have a lot of squigglies in this one. Everything was covered up really well. Even the big box. So I had to fit over the card, and I wondered about the meaning. Well, I get to look up the meaning because we got the box of cards, and it is the Elena Fairchild White Light Oracle, and the artwork is by Andrew Gonzalez. Very beautiful. And it says, enter the luminous heart of the sacred. So I am sure many people have went through this for you since I'm opening my box so late. So I probably won't do that. But I'm definitely going to see what the meaning of my card was. And I'm really excited about having a new Oracle deck. So you guys, that is our box. And I am going to very quickly go through what we got and what they can be used for. Okay, of course we have the card deck. And it says, we're so thrilled to be able to include this beautiful, recently released White Light Oracle deck by Elena Fairchild. Okay, and it tells how many decks and stuff she's created. And it tells about Andrew Gonzalez, who is the artist. Oracle decks are a wonderful tool to receive guidance and wisdom, as well as positive, reassuring messages that may be needed during times of challenging circumstances. All right. Guide of Enlightenment in Jasmine Ritual Incense Cones. We have placed a bag of jasmine cone incense for you to burn upon your brass holder. Jasmine is used for bringing a sense of opening, good luck, grace, and beauty into your sacred space. As the smoke from this incense wafts through your surroundings, visualize a luminous white or gold light emanating from your work or ritual area. Very beautiful. Okay. Agni Manatite Stone, or it is also called Pearl of Fire. This very unique and uncommon stone was originally found in Indonesia. Researchers have since claimed that the stone to be rare based on the interesting demand of the stone as well as its limited availability. The name Agni Manatite comes from Lord Agni, or the god of fire, said to hold the powers of vitality, charm, and intuition. Known to carry the healing and intuitive energies of the earth within its creation, the Pearl of Fire is a wonderful stone to meditate with. Placing it upon chakra centers that may need stimulation, as the stone is presented in a rough form. A side has been smoothed and polished. The Pearl of Fire is a wonderful stone to meditate with, placing it upon chakra centers that may need stimulation. As the stone is presented in a rough form, a side has been smoothed and polished so that you may gaze upon its internal energies or simply place upon specific areas of the body. This very sacred stone was placed within this collection to assist you in opening your psychic sight so you may dive deeper into the shadow aspects of your soul. And of course, the artworks are by A.E. Alden. And let's see. Hand rolled Place of Parity twin spell candles. We have hand rolled and charged these candles with the purpose of providing you with a place of parity or in a place of recognition for both light and shadow. Before you begin, be sure to create the energy that surrounds you. This can include cleaning, cleansing, and saying the tone for the purposed ritual. We always recommend being comfortable within your space so that you may speak words clearly out loud, enhancing your intentional energy. As you place both candles next to each other while burning, take the time to reflect upon your journey through the shadow aspects of self, as well as the resulting light body that you work to connect with. All right, Place of Parity Incantation, Book of Shadows artwork by A.E. Alden. The Gray Magical Anointing Oil. We have created this magical anointing oil with the intention of bringing balance and understanding into your daily perspective. The gray does not refer to either light or dark, but a combined energy of both, created to be a space where there are no judgments. This energy is surrounded by new perspectives and observations. We have enchanted this magical oil with sandalwood, clove, ylang-ylang oils, and have included blue lotus, wild cherry bark, plantain, cascara bark, and cascara bark as well. Inside your oil, you will find a Lemurian quartz, said to personify oneness within your aura. We have also included a special mixture of our deeper understanding magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery into the mixture of this oil. The base of the oil is sunflower oil. Okay. Etain Sacred Salt Kit. We have created the sacred salt with the intention of honoring the season of the sun. This very special mixture was created with the energies of Etain in mind. Etain is a Celtic goddess of sun, commonly known as the Shining One. This historical goddess of the sun provides us with bright energies while we work towards transformation and rebirth. We have enhanced the sacred salt with lemon, ginger, and black pepper oils, as well as calendula, St. John's wort, and raspberry leaf herbs. We have also included a special mixture of our summer solstice magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery in the making of the sacred salt. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Tilt this back up a little bit, guys. All right, mullein, a very powerful, noteworthy herb. Mullein carries the energies of courage to those that work with her energies. As you dress your candles, create oils, or simply place within magical sachets, visualize the overwhelming energies of vitality surging through your energetic body. Mullein is a wonderful tool to use during shadow work, as it brings a sense of comfort and knowingness, while facing more uncomfortable truths. Star anise. Although known for its ability to bring good luck and fortune, star anise is also a wonderful awakener of intuition during divination practices. Include star anise within your incense mixtures to bring a clearer understanding to your thoughts and emotions while receiving messages. Yes. Mustard seed, a wonderful protector and strengthener of mental abilities. Mustard seed is a kind companion during times of introspection. Add mustard seed to your magical sachets for protection and vitality. I did not know that. So that is interesting. Okay, and that is everything, you guys. And I am just really excited to work with this box. And I'm excited for these. These will be going on my main altar for 3 days. And then I will be familiarizing myself with these cards. So I'm excited about the cards. This box was just overall out of the park great. I loved it. I always love the Witch's Moon though. So thank you guys for watching. If you are thinking about ordering this box, I would really encourage you to do it if you have the money for this price point. If you don't, you want something a little less, and I wouldn't even say less, because the Witch's Roots box is amazing. It will help you build your apothecary. But if you're interested in the Witch's Roots box, I would really highly suggest it as well. This box is $54 a month, and the Witch's Roots box, I believe, is $29 or $30, somewhere in there. Postage is included. So thank you guys for watching. Blessed be, and I will see you later.